As a business, you want high ticket clients, right? And if you provide them a service which gives them more value than what they're paying, I'm finding it very easy over here. Like if I charge my clients in India what I'm charging over, they'll be like, holy shit, you're stealing how to.
I will challenge you on that. I will challenge you on that.
My mom always asks me, when are you coming back to India? I'm like, no, mom, Dubai is my space. Dubai is my calling. It's helped me build a business. Like, I don't know if I can ever go back. Now, if you have some comments regarding what I said earlier.
Yeah, I will challenge you on this aspect of you can't find good paying clients in India. I think a lot of people have that notion. I want to say why you find good paying clients in Dubai. It's because of access. It's not anything else. It's not that everyone here is going to be able to afford what you're charging. No, it's that you cracked into this network of like 3 people who are now an extension in a larger network of similar people. And you're into podcasting. Your entire career revolves around connecting like-minded people together so they can interview each other, basically.
Right.
That's your job. So your job kind of puts you in that position to have access to these people. If you had a similar role in India or any other country, if you just cracked into that network once, you would have that everywhere. It is difficult. Look, India has more people, many more people. Again, access is challenging. Finding the right person that, you would have to go through a lot of leads, a lot of prospect calls to find the right person. I think in Dubai, it kind of narrows down as well because the population is smaller as well. And like I said, it's mostly access. Here, I think people are open to meeting. They will, if you message them on Instagram and say, I would love to meet you, learn from you, they'll probably be like, yeah, okay, I'll be here tomorrow if you want to show up and say hi. Cool. And I've done that. I've literally met people and then the next day I've messaged them, maybe I saw them at a party or something and I messaged them that I saw you at that event or I saw you at the party. I would love to meet and can we meet tomorrow for a coffee or whatever. And it depends. Obviously some people are super busy. So they've literally asked me, okay, very respectfully, they've said to me, Shreya, I appreciate you reaching out. As you can imagine, my time is extremely valuable and I have very little of it to give away. So why would you like to meet? And then we can take it from there. And a lot of people have very politely, I would say, and respectfully rejected me as well. And that's fine because I respect that. I'm like, this is what I was referring to, right? If somebody's paying $300 as an exchange for 8 hours of their time, then that's something to think about.
Absolutely.
But yeah, this is again just that notion that you can reach out to anyone. And if they don't respond, they don't. But if they do, Dubai is a very small place. You can get from one corner to the other in 20 minutes. So easy. Life is on easy mode here in many ways.
It's so fast paced.
It's so fast paced, yeah.
Monday to Sunday, how it goes, I swear, Dubai is super fast.